Hey there, for this video I'm going to be showing how to build your own try and run trap on Minecraft. So basically this is what the trap is. So an unsuspecting player just walks in and sees a hallway, and the moment they step in, they'll fall into the lava. And so the moment they step in, they'll fall into the lava, and this is basically an insta kill right here. I don't think anybody can survive. They'll basically drop their items and you know, all of it will be destroyed, unfortunately. For another video I could show how to build a trap in which the same kind of trap in which you don't use lava. So I mean, instead you can use you can make the hole like bigger so that they plummet to their death instead of just burning alive. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the circuitry that I've used for this. So as you can see, these are sticky pistons, and here on the ground are some repeaters, and here are some wires. You have to use redstone for this, and these are called NOT gates. These right here. In order to build the trap, you need a sticky piston, NOT gates, and repeaters, and as well as a bunch of redstone. Right. So let's go. So let's go see how it's done. Okay, so first thing you want to do is put pressure plates on it, on the place where you want the trap to be activated or sprung by an enemy player or by a mob. And then next up, what you want to do is not destroy that. You shouldn't need that. You need to place some sticky pistons, but make sure they're facing towards you, like that. And make sure you have enough for all the blocks that you want to be able to move with the sticky pistons. And then next up comes the wiring. So you have to use redstone as your wiring. You just place it on the block and it'll just connect. And for mine, since it's it's a big trap, I have to use a repeater in order to make the signal become stronger again, because the signal can only travel up to 15 blocks. This basically gives energy to the signal, so it starts over again, go 15 blocks more. Alright, and then next up you want to place repeaters for each piston. Otherwise, only one will work, and you want all of them to work, not just one. After placing the repeaters, next thing you want to do is have redstone torches, and you want to place them on top of the blocks behind the pistons. So basically, this creates a NOT gate. This NOT gate, what it does, it reverses any input signals that it receives. So right now, it's receiving an input signal off, so it outputs a signal of like on instead of off. So that turns on the piston and pushes the block forward. And when the opposite is true, when you the input is on and the not will output is off, and it will turn off the piston and it will pull the block back. And so this is a completed try and run trap, and let's test it to see if it works, and it works perfectly. So what you could do is at the bottom put lava or make the hole deep enough to have an enemy plummet to their death. And so this is the try and run trap.